ठीक है. So now we are recording from here. So I will open the previous file, that is a plus b minus. So we'll use this file, not cascading, the simple one, this one. So pay attention. So this is my a plus b plus, which we have already run into the previous lectures. So I'm keeping it same, as I'm not wasting my time to bring those cylinders and all that one. So that's why I'm using the old one. So this is your cylinder A, this is my cylinder B. Now starting with cylinder A, here we have a pneumatically operated. So double click on this one, a pop-up window will open. Here instead of pneumatic, I will select solenoid, that is electrically controlled. So both side I want it as a solenoid. So now you can see solenoid operated symbols are there. Already that discussed in the theory lecture during PPT. PPT maybe have that details. So if this will also I will make as a solenoid. So both are solenoid now, right? So we'll delete this too. Then now if you click solenoid, I will name this solenoid according to the function. That is how when it will get actual. Now to start with electrical, on left hand side, so on left hand side you can see here, if you minimize these things, you will find pneumatic, electrical controls, digital technique, easy port, and the miscellaneous at the end, which is to bring text and other things. So we'll click on electrical. So I will expand this tree. So here you will find 0 volt, 24 volt. So you need a 24 volt on top side. I will put then a 0 volt on the downward side, and then we will make connections to have this time. So to have a first movement of these things, I will use a switches. So here you will find switches which are make switch, break switch, changeover, push type. These are the various switches. So I will select a push type of a switch. You can connect this switch to this 24 volt like this. So to utilize space, I will bring this on the left hand side. So this is my switch. Then I will have a directly a solenoid valve. So before starting with this one, I will just show you how to start with only a single solenoid. How to start A plus. So I will go for a solenoid valve. You will find solenoid valve over here on the left hand side. This is valve, solenoid valve. So to make connections, I will directly make connections like this. This is the case. Now I will name this solenoid as A plus. And similarly, this solenoid, I will make it as a labeling as A plus by double clicking on that symbol. Now this is the case if you start to play. So in this case, if you push this button, you will find A plus directly. But why we are using the relay? Relay gives you use when we can have the same output, we can use multiple times. For example, I will remove this from here. This is the case. So I will put over here a relay. Relay symbol for relay is this one. Connect this relay like this. So this relay is connected. Then I will use connection of a make switch. Take this make switch. Connect this switch to this thing. So we have a connections. Now labeling of this one. So I will relay name this as a R1, K1, the one we, but don't repeat the same name because it will give the conflicts or then it will not work. So R1, I will name this switch as a R1. Okay. So this is your solenoid. Now, when you start, this is your A plus R1. So once you press this switch, this relay get activated or close. So this R1 will close this switch, make switch, and this will actuate A plus. So click on play, press this button. So this gate R1 get on and already A plus. There is no connection. यहाँ पे connection नहीं किया था, due to that one it was not working. So we'll connect this to this thing. Now play. So here you can see A plus stroke because this gate ending. If you want to parallelly do A plus B plus parallelly and A minus B minus parallelly, so we can use the same R1. That's the advantage of using this one. So I will use a solenoid valve. We have a solenoid valve. Sorry, you need to stop it. So solenoid valve. Name this as a B plus. Okay. Then I will connect this B plus, and I need a make switch, normally open. I will connect this switch to this point, from this point to this point, and again this point to this point. Now I can name this switch as R1 again, so that I'm using the same signal from this relay to operate this both switch A plus and B plus. Now I will name this solenoid valve to operate the cylinder by using B plus. Click on OK. So as I press start, so when I put this switch, so here you can see A plus B plus simultaneously. That is how it is working. So I hope this is clear to you, how to use and how to correlate. So I will delete this thing. So I have an A plus operation. Now I need a second operation, which is B plus. Now how to get that B plus from here? I can use the same logic. I can use the same logic. I'm just copying and pasting it. So connect this to this, this to this. So this is second relay. You need to name it as R2. Click on OK. Then we will have this. Instead of A plus, you need to name it as a B plus. Okay. So this is your R1. Instead of R1 now, this gate actuated when we have the relay on. And this is a switch. I want to delete this one because I am pushing it for only one time. So I will use here as a mix switch. Connect this mix switch to this thing. This to this end. I hope it's clear. And now here I will name it as a S2. Label it S2. So when S2 is on, this will be in a closed position. When S2 is not on, when piston is not S2 position, then this will be in an open position. So now start superimpose line, no issue. Click on OK. Okay. So when I press this button, so here you can see A plus B plus. So it is happening simultaneously because I use the same relay to operate R1. So here I need to use R2, the second relay which I have used. Click on OK. Then now start, place the switch. So this, here you can see A plus, then we got the B plus. Now to get the A minus, same logic we will apply. Here now you can use without relay. If required, then you can use relay. So we'll just simply have a solenoid valve from here, which I will name it as A minus. Click on OK. So this will be my new operations. So we'll connect, and make switch is required. Here, I'll use this make switch. Again, so I will connect this make switch directly here, solenoid valve to this point, and this to this. Okay. So now double click on this thing and name it as a, when we want to do A minus, when it reaches A plus B plus function. So B plus means this piston will be in a position of S4. So I will use this S4. So when it piston reaches to S4, this will get closed. And once it get closed, this will actuate the solenoid A minus. And here I will name it as A minus. Okay. So now this is A minus. Then I need, once it reach to A minus, so your piston will move from S2 to S1. And once it reach to S1, that is A minus completed. Now I want operation as a B minus. So to have a B minus, you need to operate from this point. So to operate at this point, I will name it as a B minus. And B minus is related to position S1. Well, as the same logic, you can use Control C, Control V. But normally avoid this because you generally we make a mistake. We may forget to change the name, and that may lead to error. Click on OK. Here I will change it as a B minus. Click on OK. Connect this thing. A plus B plus. Now you can see this is in closed position because now my piston is at S1 position. So due to, hello, is it audible?
Yes, sir.
कोई problem नहीं है ना? Okay, no issue. So we have this S1 as a positive. So here you can see when I press this button, then S1 will be active because already it is in S1 position. So you can see flow through this one 24 volt to 0 volt through by actuating B minus. So my last operation in is working. So that is what is needed when you are doing any circuit. Then your last operation should be visible to you on screen. So here we can see B minus in a actuating position. So as we start, so here you can see already S1 is in action. Red color line indicates the actuated position. So this is my actuated position through which you can see this thing. So as we press this button, so here you can see first, second. So we made some mistake somewhere. So why this is not happening, the A minus, because I have pressed it. If you leave that button, then it will give you A plus B plus A minus. So I will play it again, just pay attention. So when you press this button, then this will lead to A plus, then B plus, then A minus, B minus. So start. So here you can see A plus, B plus, A minus, B minus. Similarly, you can see at the lower side, there you can find the actuated positions. Now, when you press this button, this will be A plus, B plus. But मैंने अभी छोड़ा नहीं है the button which I have pushed. That's why this is in actuated position. Now we want to retract B minus, but B minus will not happen because there is B plus, which is in actuated positions. This relay is actuated. It is an S2 position. That's why R2 will be actuated, and due to R2, B plus will be in actuating positions. So to जब मैं छोड़ूंगा then and then only you will find the retraction of this one, A minus and B minus. I hope everything is clear. अगर आप relay use नहीं करोगे तो still it won't make any differences in this case. For example, here I have used relay R1. You can remove this thing directly. So I will remove this R1. I will remove this relay R1. I will copy and I will connect this directly to this point. We can have this. So here I am not using a relay for an A plus. So still it will work. Place A plus, B plus, A minus, B minus. Now if you introduce one more cylinder, for example, I will add a single acting cylinder. So click over here, pneumatics, single acting cylinder. You need to stop it firstly, then and then only. So single acting cylinder. So name it as a cylinder C. कुछ डाउट रहेगा तो व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप पे डालोगे तो भी चलेगा. R2 isn't there, even then it should be fine. Okay, no issue. If you don't have this relay, then also it will work. But why we need this one, that we will discuss. So A plus, B plus, A minus, B minus. So we'll name it as a cylinder C. Now for cylinder C, we need again a valve to operate. So I will use a 3x2 valve to operate this thing. So this will be my 3x2 valve. S30, S400, click on OK. So that will be S3, S4. इसमें कुछ गड़बड़ हो गया है, ठीक है, not an issue. ठीक है. So we'll use this cylinder B, a new cylinder, cylinder C. And to operate this one, I will have the 3x2 wall. This one. Now operation of this one, I will put this to muffler or open to atmosphere. You need a compressor. Use this compressor to give input. Okay, and to operate this one, we'll use it retraction as a spring return, and actuation will be by using solenoid. Right? So this is the third cylinder. Now I need A plus, B plus. Then simultaneously, if you change it like A, C, so simultaneously you need AC plus, then B plus. Iska example is things when you enter into a room, when you open a door, I want to on fan and lights at the same go. So that is AC plus. Then with some delay, we want to on AC for a time, some time or after some threshold temperature, which will take input from a temperature sensor, and according to which you can on the AC. So once the temperature reaches to a point. So here I will use cylinder C. So to have an actuation of cylinder C, we need a solenoid valve. So I will name this as a C plus. Retraction will be by using spring, that is spring return. Take a make switch again, a new make switch. Click on pneumatics, electrical, make switch. I will connect this switch on this end. And then you need a solenoid. Connect this solenoid to this point. To this point. We'll name it as a C plus. And this switch, which I want to use. So as I have not used relay over here, so it is now not, I can't use this function or input directly over here. So now we need a relay. So we'll make us use a relay. Here, connect this relay. Name this relay as a R1. Okay. Then make a make switch. We'll connect this directly to this point. Then we will have a solenoid valve. Okay, so I will name this as a plus, the first operation. Now we need A and C together. That is the on off A and C simultaneously. So how you can make this thing? You need a connection between this thing. So we have a connection. Okay, fine. So this input, I will name it as a R1 from relay 1. So when I am pressing this button, उसके बाद अगर छोड़ भी दिया तो still R1 will be in actuated positions and I can use this R1. Same way here I will use those output which is R1 from relay 1. Click on OK. So now you can see when I press this one, this will get actuated at the same time C plus also get actuated. So A and C operation will take place simultaneously. So click on play. Duplicable, I guess. नाम चेंज रहेगा बाकी ठीक है Duplicate capital or incompatible name. Okay, no issue. Superimposed line. Lines through connection. You need to change it. ठीक है. R1, I'm using A plus C plus. Yes, I guess everything is correct. This is A plus. So when it get actuated, you will get compressor. This will get retracted. This is retracted rice cylinder which I have used. Then S4, S1. Sorry, this is the double which I have made mistake. So here I have made mistake. So this is S3, S4. Here you need to mention another which will be S5, which will be on our outer side 100, and the value of position you entered is 50 because there is limitation, no issue. S6 will make it as 0. So you can change those limit from here. That is parameter. Here it is 50. You can make it 100. Click on OK. So here you can see S5 and S6. उल्टा किया है because my cylinder type is in retracting mode. ठीक है. So click on play. Superimposed lines. That is not going to make any problem. So here you can see A. As I press this one, here you can see A plus and C minus. Is it leaving A plus, B plus, A minus, B minus. That is working only for once. When I hold this one, then and then only it will work. This R1 in open situations. Okay. So play. Superimposed line. A plus, B. So if you want to make it as A plus C plus, you can change this as a configuration. You go to configuration. This is extension. If you change it, so that becomes extension type of this one. You need a spring return. Click on OK. Play. Superimposed line. So here you can see A plus, B plus, B minus. A plus, C plus together, then B plus. As I leave, I will get A minus and C minus and then B minus. C is using by spring. So